How to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to make sure that Gmail application is up to date. If not, open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and tap the search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now select the search bar at top and type in Gmail. If you see any updates of Gmail, tap the update button and make sure to update it to the latest version. It will take a few minutes. You simply need to wait for a while and then update it to the latest version. If your issue still persists or doesn't resolve, you need to follow the second step. For that, open your browser and search for Gmail. Occasionally, Gmail server go offline for maintenance. Use a third-party site like Down Detector to check if there are any outages. If there are no server issues, proceed to the next step. Make sure your phone settings are correct. Go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and locate Apps. Open it. Once it opens, select App Management and then tap the search bar at top of the screen and type in SMS or messages. Open it. After that, tap on Permission option and make sure that you have allowed the all apps permission of messages, especially the SMS. Once done, come back. Open Gmail as well by searching Gmail at the search bar. Scroll down and select Permissions. Make sure you have allowed all apps permissions for Gmail as well. Once you have made the settings, lastly restart your device. Hold on the power button on your device and then select Restart. So a simple restart can simply fix this kind of issues on your device. By following all the steps, your Gmail not receiving verification code will be fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.